Good morning, Tom. The kitchen feels very calm today.
Good morning, Ashley. Yes, the sunlight makes me feel relaxed. Wow, the kitchen is very clean and ready.
Yes, a clean kitchen helps us cook better. All day we will cook and learn English together.
That sounds helpful. I want to learn slowly. I feel a little nervous, but also excited.
That's okay. We will go step by step. Look at these fresh vegetables.
They look healthy and colorful. The sink is ready. Are we starting now?
Yes, let's begin with something simple. First, we wash the vegetables.
Wash the vegetables, I understand. I will focus and do it carefully.
Good, take your time. Here is the cutting board for later.
Okay, I will remember that. The kitchen feels warm and peaceful.
That's a perfect feeling for learning.
I am rinsing the vegetables with water.
Yes, rinse them until they are clean. Make sure the water flows over everything.
I see. I will move them slowly. Am I doing this right?
Yes, you're doing very well.
I am rubbing the vegetables gently.
That helps remove dirt. Now put them in the bowl.
Okay. They look clean now. What are these eggs for?
We will boil them for breakfast. Let's turn on the stove slowly.
I will be careful. The water is starting to boil.
Yes, that means it's ready. Put the eggs in carefully.
They are hot, but I can do it. I see steam rising.
That means the eggs are cooking. Now let's toast the bread.
I like toasted bread. I push the toaster lever down.
Good, now we wait.
The bread looks golden.
Yes, that's perfect. Next, open the milk carton.
Okay, I've got it. I am pouring the milk slowly.
Great, no spilling. The eggs are ready now.
I can see the steam. I will put them on the plate.
Careful, they are hot. Breakfast looks nice.
I feel proud already. I learned many new words.
Yes, you did. You're doing great, Tom.
Thank you, that helps a lot. It's almost lunchtime.
Yes, time goes fast. Let's clean the counter.
A clean space feels good. These onions are for lunch.
Yes, we will chop them. Here is the knife.
I will be careful. I am chopping the onions slowly.
That's the right way.
My eyes feel watery.
That's normal with onions. Hold the knife like this.
Ah, that feels safer. Now we cook the chicken.
Yes, put it in the pan. The oil is heating.
I hear a soft sound. The chicken is sizzling.
That means it's frying. Stir the chicken slowly.
I don't want it to burn. How much salt should I add?
Just a little. The soup is bubbling.
It smells good. I am stirring the soup.
Mix it gently. The kitchen smells amazing.
I feel hungry now. Cooking feels fun.
Yes, it's very enjoyable. You're learning fast.
That makes me happy. Lunch is on the table.
It looks delicious. Let's enjoy this meal.
I agree. I'm serving the rice.
Make the portions even.
Is this amount okay?
Yes, perfect. Let's sit down.
I'm ready to eat. The food tastes great.
You cooked well. We finished everything.
I'm full and happy. I feel relaxed now.
You earned it. Let's prepare afternoon tea.
That sounds nice. The sunlight feels soft.
Afternoons are peaceful. These are for the cake.
Flour, eggs, and sugar. I will use this bowl.
Good choice.
I am mixing the batter.
Stir slowly. Preheat the oven.
I set it to 180 degrees. The oven light is on.
That means it's heating. Put the pan inside.
Carefully. I close the oven door.
Now we wait. The kitchen feels warm.
I like this smell. Waiting is hard.
Patience is important. The cake is ready.
I'm excited. I take it out slowly.
Be careful. Let the cake cool.
Okay, I will wait. I place the teacups.
Nice and neat. I'll pour the tea.
It smells good. I will cut the cake.
The slices look perfect.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. This is a calm moment.
Yes, very calm. The tea is warm.
Perfect for afternoon. You learned a lot today.
I really did.
Great job, Tom.
Thank you so much. I feel more confident.
That's the goal. The kitchen is tidy again.
It feels nice. The sun is going down.
It was a full day. You did amazing today.
I'm ready for more tomorrow.